that might be something you don't believe in. So go into the holidays with a bit more empathy. Think about all the trials and tribulations that your family members have been through. Don't think about the judgment that might be coming your way, but think about the life events that may have led to them forming that worldview. When you're more empathetic, you're going to realize that your family has a lot more to offer and you're going to feel a lot less judged. Now, the third tip I want to talk about is actually using curiosity to get your family to open up and share more. I don't know about you, but in my family, I know that when we get together for the holidays, we kind of clam up. We're pretty introverted. And of course, there's not as much sharing as I would like. So I'm going to give you 2 simple words that you can use to open up your family, to tell more stories, to be more engaging, and ultimately have more fun. And those 2 simple words are, I'm curious. If you use that phrase with family members, in fact, you may have heard of it on our podcast. We use it.
Clam up. Clam up. Clam up.